So yeah, finally some saturation is back into the region. After weeks we have been only in nuances of black and white. I can still share some colors with you, and so I'm gonna go around and climb all the mountain peaks over there, either by climbing actually or by biking. I got a brand new bike that will help me go around, and I want to show you the region. Why is that? Because I want to test my camera. This is a Sony A7C Mark II. I used it so far only for the talking head like this, and then I used it also for some street photography. I just visited a few little cities, but I want to test it out there for landscape photography because I think it is worth a try. With 33 megapixel, it's not a Nikon Z8, all right? It's not a Sony A1. It's a compromise. So it's a small camera body. It's good enough for many things. I used to go around with one lens only, which is my 24 to 70 f4 by Zeiss, and I also have a wide angle glass that I will use for some star trails and landscaping later on. So stay tuned because I'm gonna show you around a while. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One Lens Only, and today we're gonna start a new series because I want to alternate the rumors and anticipations, the street photographies and the photos that I'm taking with showing you some landscaping. Now, I have my Sony A7C Mark II that has 33 megapixel. It should be plenty good enough for some photos stacking. So if I want to shoot the landscape, the foreground, the background, and then stack them all together, like here, I want to show you the water because today it's a bit windy, so there's a lot of waves coming in and out, and then the mountains are still snow-capped, and then I'm in a part of the city which is lake level, and then we also see the boats passing by. So there are many elements trying to put together. Why do I want to try landscaping photography? Because I used to travel the world. I did plenty of landscapes, but with different means. By the time I was traveling, I was still using my crop factor camera. It was a Canon 600D with great satisfaction. It was a compromise as well. I had like a 28 to 200 mil glass, and so it was good for everything, but not particularly good at anything. So now that I'm a bit more specialized, I have a full frame camera and I have more time and I can visit the region, I just want to give it a try. Now, this is not the region that is famous for its snow, because I used to be in British Columbia over there, all the way to Yukon and Alaska. There was way much more snow. Here it's more of a Mediterranean latitude, but still is surrounded by mountains. So we're gonna have some interesting views, landscaping, star trails, so stay tuned. I'm gonna test this camera out.
Up my